Hey guys, so we have another first for you today, for me anyways. I'm going to do these wooden frames that you get at Walmart. I think they were 97 cents. So yeah, we're just going to see what we can do with this, because it's always fun to experiment and try new things, and you just hope it comes out. I think you guys have only seen me do canvas like one time, and that was just a canvas panel. Okay, so I have mixed up my paints already. I just need to add water to them. I have white, I have ultramarine blue, this ultramarine, which is the, oh, what is it? It's this one here. The System 3 Acrylic by Dollar and Rowney, which is this makers of Simply Acrylic. I just got that at Walmart. I do have the magenta, bright magenta, and mixed with just a little bit of water in here. And there's actually a little bit of the red glitter in here just because I was reusing this cup from the previous pour. And this one here, we actually have the aqua enamel from Folk Art. I just think this is such a pretty color, so I like to use it all the time. And here's my white and Floetrol. Once again, it's 2-to-1. Floetrol is a paint with a splash of water. So water. Oh, sorry. And the Caribbean blue over here, which is apple barrel. Kind of forgot that little guy hiding over there. So we're going to just stir these up real quick. Today's December 30th. Tomorrow is not only New Year's Eve, but it is my anniversary. It's 16 years that he has put up with me. And when I say he's put up with me, I really mean it. I have got to be one of the most disorganized people. I always ask him, how do you put up with me? He's like, what do you mean? I said, I lose everything. I have no train of thought whatsoever. He said, that's okay. He's the finder of all the things I lose, so it kind of works out. So, well, I have a little bit of air bubbles in each of these. I'm just spraying a little bit of rubbing alcohol on 91%. Gently stir them. I get a little vigorous with my stirring sometimes, so we don't have any silicone anywhere here. Just our Floetrol paint water mixture. So I start with just a little bit of white. Some of our aqua, some of the ultramarine, some of our pink, Caribbean blue, a little more white, and just another round of colors. Obviously, oops, obviously we can't do a flip cup with this, so we're going to do the little circles, a little more white. And so I'm using a paper cup for this so I can squeeze a little bit better. I don't really want to squeeze it on the seam though. So hopefully you can see this with my big old hand in the way. I'll try to. It's not really able to swirl too well here, but I'm just going to kind of go in different areas pink is just not coming through very well, is it? I'm going to pour some more pink in there. See if we can't get that to pop through a little bit more. Oops, I just dripped it right on there. There we go. Yeah. Definitely need more over there. And just touch up our edges. I don't really like that white there. There we go. There. What do you think? Pick up some of this pink. Dab over there. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I think I'd like a little more contrast in there in colors. But there is one. I'm going to pause you and get this moved over and maybe do another one. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to do another one real quick. Now I just laid down these little bits of paperboard because there was so much pooling on top of my cups and I didn't really want to set this in there. So let me grab some more gloves and think about introducing another color into this one maybe. What do you think? Should we do a hint of yellow? Let's do a yellow real quick. And we're just going to use this gloss yellow by Apple Barrel. Just a gloss yellow. Just because we can. 2, 1. Find a stick I'm not using. There's one. That's such a pretty color. Not a huge fan of yellows, but as yellows go, that's a good one. A little bit more. There. And put a little bit of alcohol in there. Okay, so we still have some from our last pour. Just going to mix a little bit of yellow into it. Some more white to churn that up. There we go. And we're just going to do, oh, what are we going to do? We're just kind of going to do that, I think. Because why not? So pretty. Okay. back here in her. Okay. I'm going to just pour a little bit color there. Hopefully it'll catch it. Pare that down. Oh, my little thingies. My little thingies. Yeah, that's what they're called, thingies. Sticking everywhere. It's okay, we'll just dab that paint onto the sides. Like so. And I'm going to grab a stick. Pick up some of that color to dab on in there. In theory, you kind of want to stick with the same color scheme that is in that area, but I don't really follow the rules of life. Maybe that's why half my stuff doesn't turn out right. Ha ha ha. It's all good. It's all good. I want to get on the inside though. There's a little spot there. Side. Now, in theory, I should say in hindsight, I should have probably just done a quick coat of paint on the wood first, but nobody gonna tell me what to do. You're not my mom. And Mom, if you're watching, sorry. Paint would definitely hold better, but this was an experiment, and you can't play by the rules if you're experimenting. That's part of the fun, right? Try to get that off. See if we can get that little teal spot there to shake down. Yeah. No, not gonna play nice. Okay. Okay, we'll just live with you there. Let's just stick you under there in the ways. So, there's that one. I will pause you and bring you down for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, so here's a close-up of the first one. And my shadow is totally in the way here. I apologize. There's the first one. Got some nice coloring going on in there. And here is a close-up of our second one. I really like this area up here. Makes me happy. Now, I just want to dip something in that pool down there because it's just so pretty. But that yellow really, really helped, I think. And yeah. I think priming it would help if we primed it first. And maybe next time. I have a couple more of these. All in all, I'm happy with it. Oops, wrong way, sorry. So there it is. Wooden picture frames, 97 cents at Walmart, right in the craft section. I wish I had a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's anywhere less than an hour away. But I don't, so Amazon is my friend, and so is Walmart. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you.